What if your Mac could do even more? What if it was even more intuitive, more powerful, and seamlessly connected to your digital life? Well, get ready because Apple just unveiled macOS Tahoe 26, and it's making the macOS more capable, productive, and intelligent than ever before. Let's dive into the sum of groundbreaking features that makes Tahoe a monumentally product. A stunning new design. First up, a gorgeous new design. macOS Tahoe introduces a stunning new look, crafted with what Apple calls liquid glass. This translucent material reflects and retracts, making elements like dock, sideboards, and toolbars feel more integrated and refined. The menu bar is now completely transparent, creating an ever more expansive feel. And personalization just got a huge upgrade. You can now customize app icons, choose colorful new tints, and even change folder color with symbols or emojis. Your Mac can truly be an extension of your style. Seamless continuity with iPhone. The magic of continuity is stronger than ever. With the new Phone app arriving in Mac, you can access all familiar iPhone call features right from your desktop. Recents, contacts, voicemails, and even powerful new additions like call screening and hold assist. Imagine never missing an important calls or getting stuck on a hold again. And live activities from your iPhone will appear directly on your Mac's menu bar. Stay on top of real-time events like flights or sports scores, and with a click, the app opens in iPhone mirroring for instant action. Spotlight's biggest update ever. Get ready for the biggest update to Spotlight ever. Finding what you need is easier than ever, with all results intelligently ranked and powerful new filtering options. Spotlight can even sort documents on third-party cloud drives. But here is game changer. You can approve from hundreds of actions directly from Spotlight. Send an email, create a note, play a podcast, all without jumping between apps. Plus, intelligent actions, learn from your routines, and new quick keys give you lightning fast access to what you need. Brand new capabilities powered by Apple Intelligence. Apple Intelligence expands its capabilities, making your Mac even smarter while prioritizing your privacy. Experience seamless communications with live translation. Translate messages as you type, understand foreign languages, and FaceTime calls with live captions, and even have your words translated during a phone call, all on device. Creativity gets a boost with the new Genmoji options, an image playground allowing you to create unique images with enhanced controls and styles, including integration with ChatGPT. Shortcuts are also more intelligent, leveraging Apple Intelligence model to automate complex tasks and even run automatically based on time or specific actions. Gaming on Mac reimagined. Gamers rejoice. macOS Tahoe introduces the new Apple Games app, a dedicated hub for all your favorite titles. The game overlay lets you to chat settings and chat with the friends without leaving your game. And low power mode extends your playtime with Metal 4. Expect even more advanced graphics and smoother frame rates for an immersive gaming experience. Exciting new titles are on the way, pushing the boundaries of Mac gaming. Additional enhancements. And that's not all. Safari, the world's fastest browser, gets fresh new design, advanced fingerprinting protection, and even better battery life. The Message app brings new features like backgrounds, polls, and typing indicators in groups. macOS Tahoe 26 is truly a monumental update, packed with features that will make your Mac more intuitive, productive, and intelligent than ever before. What are you most excited about macOS Tahoe? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech and thoughts, and hit the notification bell so you don't need our next updates. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.